welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you the ARRIS depending on how you pronounce it, cable box boot up. This is from Spectrum, and this is a replacement for the Cisco boxes, the big boxes that have the blue 7-segment display. In just a second I am going to show you the boot up process, and this does take a while. As you can see, the 7-segment display on this one is white, and you're going to see a lot of things with this during the boot up process. I will show you that now. Okay, so as you see here, I rebooted the box, and as you can see, everything lit up on that 7-segment display. And as you can see, it's just displaying H right now. What that means is that it's testing itself, and now it says boot. With these type of cable boxes, it says boot, then it goes to OCAP, and then it loads a bunch of things. Now, this particular cable box did take a while to boot. It took about 10 minutes to boot. And while it's on the boot section, as you can see, I tried to turn it on to get something on the screen, and that didn't work. What I noticed about this particular cable box is until it's counting down, you can't turn it on physically to display on your TV. As you can see, it stayed on boot for a long time. This is actually longer than the other one. And what you're seeing now is it goes blank, and what's going to happen is it's going to come up as OCAP. I thought the box actually burned out, but it did not. And comes back up as boot again. Now, the reason it takes so long to boot these boxes is, I'll get to that in a second. Now it says OCAP. The reason it takes so long to boot these boxes is there is a couple of things that happen. One, it's going to check to make sure it has signal to the box. Number two, it's going to make sure that it has the activation code. Three, it's going to re-download all the stuff that it needs to boot back up. This is the same thing as the previous boxes before and all that. Now, the other Spectrum cable boxes that I showed you replace the smaller ones. These replace the older digital cable boxes because it's no longer compatible. So as you see here, the box would not let me turn it on until I hit this sequence right here. This is the countdown sequence before the TV comes back and says, "I'll be right with you." This is the part where you turn it on. It'll say that on the TV. It would not let me turn it on. So, because I wanted to do a boot up on the TV itself, but unfortunately I could not do that. So as you see, this is going to take a little bit of time to download. As you can see. It took a while just to go from 10, as you can see 7 now. This took a long time, and it's going to take a lot more. Now it turned to 6 as I said that. This is what I don't like about these cable boxes, is they do stuff like this. It'll go fast and slow, but that's just the way the cable box is. Now, as you can see, a mail envelope icon appeared. That means it's receiving and sending messages. Like they got the message from the server saying, "All right, you're good. You have activation," is basically what it's doing. So now we're at level 3. And this is going to be here for a while. As you can see, that icon, the envelope icon, was on there for a long time as well. What's happening is it's checking the authentication, making sure that it's properly authenticated. Because if it's not, it will not go any further than this. As you can see, the envelope icon went away, and it's working fine. There we go. So, anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.